Wait, this is the most viral eyeshadow in my feed right now. And I'm gonna try this. So this is the Mars Starlit Pot eyeshadow in shade 04. OMG, look at the shine, it's literally starlit. And you guys won't believe, it's insane pigmentation. One swipe and done. Can you see that? Okay, now I get it why this is trending. Worth the hype 100%. Would you try this shit? Follow for more viral finds. See you in the next video. Bye bye.